To register for Koinly tax reporting, start by going to the Koinly website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide a valid email address and create a password for your account. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your account. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to verify your email address by clicking on a link sent to you by Koinly. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. After verifying your email address, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can start the process of linking your cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets to Koinly. This is done by clicking on the Add Account button and selecting the exchange or wallet you want to link. You will then be asked to provide your API keys or login credentials to authorize Koinly to access your account data. Koinly supports over 600 exchanges and wallets, so you should be able to find the ones you use. If you are unsure about how to find your API keys or login credentials, you can refer to the Koinly support pages for guidance. Once you have linked all your exchanges and wallets, Koinly will start to import your transaction data. This may take a few minutes, depending on the number of transactions you have. After your data has been imported, you can start to review and reconcile your transactions. Koinly will automatically match your buys and sells and calculate your gains and losses. But you should still review your transactions to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, you can generate your tax report by clicking on the Tax Report button. Koinly will provide you with a detailed report that includes all your income, expenses, and capital gains, which you can then use to file your taxes. It is worth noting that Koinly offers a free plan that allows you to track up to 10,000 transactions per year, as well as several paid plans that offer additional features and support. If you are unsure about which plan is right for you, you can refer to the Koinly pricing page for more information. By following these steps, you can easily register for Koinly tax reporting and start to streamline your cryptocurrency tax reporting process. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and to review your transactions regularly to ensure accuracy.